So this is a project Embermind, a data-driven burnout detection and recovery system built specifically for user. So let us take a fast walkthrough of the website and what you're going to find here. You will start with your GitHub username, then we will analyze your 30 days, previous 30 days public commits, timing, frequency, and their intensity. You can upload your schedule calendar in the CSV ICS format. Then we will analyze the overloaded days, back-to-back blocks, stolen focus time. Then we will calculate your burnout score from 0 to 100, which is dependent on the actual data. And then you will see that what is actually happening, what are the recommendations, 30-day activity timeline you will get, personalized recovery steps you will get after doing all these things, and then support mode. So whenever you are feeling hectic, only you can go to this and try it. So let us go. So let me log in first. So I have created a demo email for this demo. Let me sign in. So while registering, you will enter your GitHub user ID name. So it is showing the data of current data ID that I have entered while registering. Code Wisp AI is a GitHub user name. So first of all, you can see this before show your data, how are feeling right now. So you will enter your current mood. So let me enter good. So this is saved in the database, and as the time in the last two session when I am trying it, it is showing the data of the last two session with the current one, that it is comparing the previous one and my current mood. So every time when you log in, you will see this, and then this will show you the analysis. Now this is a burnout score which is currently 0. I am at low risk because uh, there are only two commits. There is no late night commit, no early morning commit. So that's why. Suppose I have changed the GitHub user ID to this. So this is another GitHub user ID. So when I do this and run my analysis, so this time you see, this time the burnout score is 58, which is at medium risk, because there are 26 commit, out of which 4 are of early morning and 2 are of late night. Weekend commits are 13. So according to your work, according to the things which are happening, it calculates your burnout score. This thing is about high burnout risk expected, peak on Monday 9 March. It is calculating the risk, it is calculating the work, it is calculating your mental imbalance based on the past assistance and showing your data up to the 1 week. There is a feature of uploading your schedule also. So let me upload it. This is high burnout calendar, which is having very hectic schedule, and when I run this, so you can see it is analyzing, and this time the burnout score is 100 out of 100 because of the very hectic schedule in the CSV file. So when the burnout score or burnout index is greater than 70, the UI changes and shift to recovery mode. In this recovery mode, it is showing that you need to slow down, and it will show you the recovery plan, that what you can do. Weekend recovery time and pattern breakdown it is showing. So you can see the full recovery plan when you are totally mentally not stable for doing the work. Personal health recommendations are there. It is your activity calendar. High priorities are 4, medium at 1, total 8 priorities are there. And then these are the things for wellness, productivity, meetings, and all. So this is one of the feature. Let me go back. This is the I need support right now feature. In this, when you are feeling lonely, when you are not able to concentrate, you can come here and chat to it. You will find a way. So first of all, let me tell you about this. This is breathe in, breathe out system. By following this, you can be calm. And then suppose I write in the chat feeling lonely and not able to concentrate. So you can see that support has written the message, and then in this way you can chat, and then you can share your things. This is a 7-day predictive plan, which I have already tell you about. This is an interactive timeline, which you can see currently. These are the things. Commit behaviors are shown. So with this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.